Viewers, Times Now is your destination for the fastest updates on Prime Minister Modi's historic three-day visit to the United States of America. Let's now tell you what is the latest. Now, the next focus is going to be the bilateral between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden, and then it's going to be the big Quad summit. Prime Minister has already arrived in the US. We just showed you how the Indian diaspora welcomed Prime Minister Modi, and now let's take you through the first social media post that has come from Prime Minister Modi on the engagements from here on. So this is the first tweet that he has put out, and it says, landed in Philadelphia. Today's program will be focused on the Quad summit and the bilateral meeting with POTUS Joe Biden, President of the United States. I'm sure the discussions throughout the day will contribute to making our planet better and addressing key global challenges. And these are the pictures of him arriving in Philadelphia. And then this is the second post by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He says, and I quote, "The Indian community has distinguished itself in the USA, making a positive impact across diverse sectors. It's always a delight to interact with them." At around 9:30 p.m. India time on Sunday, which is tomorrow, 22nd of September, he will be celebrating the Modi and US program in New York City. Let's celebrate the bonds that connect our nations. So this is the second post today after the Quad summit from Delaware. He is going to go to the New York, where he will be addressing the Indian diaspora. There's going to be a very important roundtable, a business roundtable with the global CEOs, top leaders, and the focus is going to be on strengthening ties between India, US, India, and the Quad leaders, and also ensuring we get investments here in India. And we are going to keep you ahead on this biggest story right now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the United States of America.